Want to know how to flip an image horizontally in Canva? You can mirror any photo from left to right in just a few clicks. And I'll also show you where to find the vertical flip option, so you can turn an image upside down whenever you need it. First, open your Canva project. Once your design is open, click the image you want to flip. If you haven't added an image yet, no problem. Just click Uploads on the left side, then click Upload Files and choose your image. Once the image appears in your design, click it to select it. Now look at the top toolbar. With your image selected, click Flip. This is the option that lets you change the direction of your image. And here's the part you want to pay attention to because Canva gives you two different ways to flip it. To mirror your image from left to right, click Flip Horizontal. And just like that, Canva reverses the image horizontally. So, if you want the subject facing the opposite direction, this is the option you want. But what if you want to turn the image upside down? Simply click the image again, click Flip, and then select Flip Vertical. Your image will now be flipped from top to bottom. So remember, Flip Horizontal mirrors the image left to right, while Flip Vertical turns it upside down. If you're editing a thumbnail, social media post, presentation, or any other Canva design, this little tool can be really useful when you need to change the direction of an image without editing the original file. If this quick Canva tip helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials that make editing and everyday tech tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.